The Duncanville ISD Automotive Collision Repair Program offers a variety of work-based learning and extracurricular opportunities for students who are pursuing this program of study. Work-based learning and expanded learning opportunities for this program of study include working at a local automotive repair or body shop and involvement in the Automotive Service Association, as well as career and technical student organizations such as Skills USA. Skills USA is a nationally recognized honor society that empowers its members to become world-class workers, leaders, and responsible American citizens. The program seeks to improve the quality of our nation's future skilled workforce through the development of skills that include personal, workplace, and technical skills grounded in academics. This program aims to help provide every member the opportunity and skills-based structures needed for career success in life. More information on this program can be found in the materials provided online at the Duncanville ISD CTE CCMR website.